Hi, it's Dennis Becker again. And remember, we're coming to you from the National Communication Association here in Salt Lake City in Utah. This is the 104-year-old National Communication Association. And we're delighted right now to be standing here with Ron Jackson, who is the outgoing president of the NCA. And we're going to chat for just a couple of minutes. Ron, thank you very much for visiting with us. First of all, you're outgoing president. So maybe it's time to ask you, are you glad you did it?
Sure. Well, one of the most exciting parts about this particular association is the fact that we have folks coming from all over the country, people that you might not ordinarily be connected with, and representing all four regions are usually connected to our regional associations. So what that allows us to do is to start thinking about how we can sort of create initiatives that span the entire discipline. So this year we started with a theme or a vision based off of last year's convention theme, which was Our Legacy, Our Relevance, and just about questioning ways in which we can become more increasingly relevant as an association, as a discipline to the broader world. So we've done three things this year that are really important as they align with that vision. One of them is that we have created what's called a legacy scholarship, which means that every time we show up to a convention host city, we give out a scholarship to a local college student who is a communication major. Last year we gave out a $1,000 scholarship. This year we'll give out a $1,000 scholarship and another $250 scholarship for a second place winner. And all of them get $50 just for showing up.
Nice.
Just as a way to kind of give them money to transport themselves to the convention. And that's just a way of giving back locally because, you can show up to a city and be completely unrecognized by the local population. And so it's a way of saying thank you for allowing us to be here. The second thing that we're going to do is we've just launched an animated video series. So I have personally used a video by Brene Brown, who's a psychologist, who has illustrated empathy as a concept and found it to be really, really significant how she's been able to do that carefully and clearly. And so we thought, why aren't we doing that? She's got over 1 million viewers. We should take some concepts from communication and share that with the broader public. So we're going to be doing that, and that'll be launched this time next year. The third thing we're doing is we've just approved, literally just yesterday, a brand new NCA Center for Communication, Community Collaboration, and Change. Among all of our social science and humanities organizations, we are the first to ever launch a center within our organization. This is very exciting. It allows us to connect locally with communities, to sort of empower them with communication strategies that then help them to think through how we can build better partnerships and also deal with social justice issues. So those are all three things that are very exciting for the association, and we accomplished that in the last 12 months. Very exciting.
Well, congratulations. It sounds terrific. And I know from a participant's perspective, it's been great coming to them every single year. I've been coming for 30 years. It's been a long time.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a long time. What do you think what's the relationship between the scholars and the practitioners in the association?
Well, so we have quite a healthy mix of folks who are practitioners. I myself, although I teach in the classroom, I also do consulting. And so practice-based approach to sort of applying the concepts to help organizations improve. But we also have individuals that are connecting with nonprofit organizations that are doing things that are connected to the community locally. And so it's exciting to have those folks here as practitioners sort of using our concepts and applying them. And of course, we want our work to be relevant. So, the idea is that people not just study our concepts, but take them and use them every day to improve human relationships and the quality of human life.
Great. What's in the future for you now that you're stepping down from this particular office? What's next for you?
Good question.
Maybe practitioner. Maybe practitioner. Right now, I know you have family waiting for you to get into the hotel. I've just landed, so thank you for giving us this time.
Absolutely.
We appreciate it. We've been talking with Ron Jackson, who's the outgoing president of NCA. And this is Dennis Becker. Thanks for listening. We'll be back again later. Bye for now.